Welcome. This video is sponsored by Holistic and Alternative Health for African Americans, and we are on a mission to heal African Americans naturally. So, wouldn't it be great if you could restore your health and restore your energy by simply reconditioning your blood? You can. You can. The blood is the key to so many different health benefits. Now, most people think blood pressure, hardening of the arteries, heart attacks, and strokes when they think about blood. But our circulatory systems are responsible for so much more. And as a result, responsible for so much more of your health. So we all have microscopic blood vessels called microcapillaries, right? It is in our microcapillaries where the exchange of oxygen and nutrients take place. If your blood is not properly flowing through your microcapillaries, a whole bunch of health issues can occur, many of which you would never associate with the blood, right? When we think blood, we don't think about other things. So things like, or symptoms like fatigue, cloudy thinking, frequent infections, sexual problems, diabetes, arthritis, and so much more can all be traced back to the quality of our blood. Typically, as we get older, our arteries and our veins become stiff and congested because cholesterol and calcium build up, and that leaves a plaque, right? And that plaque will restrict our blood flow. Then, as we get older, our blood thickens and it congeals, and our spleens start to slow down. Our spleens just don't work like they used to. Our spleen is responsible for removing old and damaged blood cells, right? That's the spleen's job, to get rid of the bad blood cells that we no longer need, which means that when we have our new healthy cells, they're replaced at a much slower rate because the spleen just ain't kicking it like it used to. All of these changes eventually reduce circulation to the tissues, right, and to other organs. And this blocks the flow of nutrients and oxygen, which means not only are our organs and tissues deficient, but waste is not being properly removed. This means that our internal organs don't receive their normal nutrients, which means our organs stop performing their functions. A good example of this we see in diabetes, don't we? Right? All of us are pretty familiar with diabetes. But chronically elevated blood sugar levels damage the microcapillaries and impair blood flow, right? So the blood flow to the retinas, the kidneys, and peripheral nerves are damaged. And that's why sometimes diabetes patients end up with vision loss, kidney damage, or amputations because the blood flow isn't going to those areas anymore. Blood circulation is damaging vital tissues and organs. Poor blood circulation is damaging vital tissues and organs. So, how do we fix it? Let's boost circulation and support to the endocrine system and the central nervous system with an herbal blend that has been proven to enhance circulation, nourish our cells, and help with eliminating waste. Simple, right? It's not algebra. Algebra was hard for me. Maybe it wasn't hard for you. So we sell, Healing African American sells a combination of herbs that have reported amazing results in clinical trials, right? Clinical studies have shown so many great results. Now, you know that we don't name disease, right? Because, first of all, it's illegal. But second of all, you should understand that disease is only created to create medication to treat it, right? It's a diagnosis. Well, here in the holistic health world and here at Healing African Americans, we know that there are weaknesses, inflammation, stressors that happen to certain organs in our body. So if you fix the blood, if you fix the kidneys, if you fix the pancreas, if you fix the spleen, if you fix the intestines, all of these things, you fix that and then you can restore your health. You don't have to subscribe to a disease, right? So if you take this amazing herbal supplement that I'm talking about, you should notice an improvement just after 30 days, because in the clinical trials, that's what happened. 100% of the people noticed significant improvements after 30 days. Now, listen, you're going to have to take this for 30 days. You're going to have to continue to take it. Too many people come to the holistic health world and they want a miracle pill where in 2 days or 3 days or the next morning they feel better, they're cured, they're healed. No, that's not what this is. We are restoring your health. We are rebuilding and restoring and reclaiming your health, and that's going to take some time. But 30 days is not a lot of time. Not a lot of time to see these amazing results occur. So you can take this supplement with other supplements, but you should take it at least 2 hours before or after taking any other medications. So if you're on medications, wait 2 hours before you take this. But if you are taking blood thinning medication like warfarin or Coumadin or aspirin or Plavix or any other blood thinner medication, then this is not for you. You should not take this blend. If that is your situation, send us an email and we can talk about some alternative protocols for you. But if that is not you, order this, give it 30 days, just 30 days, and see if you feel the results or any significant change. I am positive that you will. Visit us at Healing African Americans, where we offer holistic and alternative health care for African Americans, because we are on a mission to heal African Americans. Visit us at www.healingafricanamericans.com.